If you are someone who is afraid of the future, afraid of failure, maybe you're not sure where to start rebuilding your life after abuse now that you're alone, maybe you're struggling to unscramble all the BS that was pumped into your head, this video is really going to help you out. I'm going to share with you a couple different mindset shifts that will really do wonders during your healing journey. So if that sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hang out to the end of the video because I have some freebies that will greatly enhance and power up and alter and change your life for the better after abuse. So real quick, if you're brand spanking new to this channel and you have no idea who I am, give me a quick second, let me introduce myself. My name is Judi Jamieson and I am a psychic. I teach intuition and psychic development to empaths who are trying to heal from toxic and manipulative people. By learning how to work with your spirit guides, because we all know sometimes the physical world and our friends in it just don't freaking cut it, it doesn't help. Your spirit guides, your energetic family on the other side is always there for you. They will never judge you. They will never criticize you. And they will always lead you to the yellow brick road that leads to your personal pot of abundance and happiness. So if that sounds like something you are interested in learning about, I am your new virtual best friend, and you're gonna wanna hit the subscribe button that is right underneath this video. If you're not already a subscriber, I'm gonna give you a quick second to do that right now. All right, so let's get this party started, right? Why you are here. So as someone who is a survivor, obviously, of domestic violence, narcissistic abuse, and rape, and all of the freaking gaslighting, crazy making, effed up things that these people put you through, you're gonna question a lot of stuff, okay? You're gonna have low self-confidence, low self-esteem. You're gonna think you're a failure. You're gonna think all kinds of effed up stuff, right? So these are some of the things that I walked myself through that really helped. Now, if you wanna write these things down on a piece of paper and tape it to your bathroom mirror or your refrigerator, whatever works for you and helps you, by all means, do it. So one of the things that you have to learn when you're not only trying to heal, but trust your intuition again, there's that little tiny devil on your shoulder. You know, the one that is loud and abrasive and it pumps you pumps you full of fear, right? That is the ego, okay? That is not the voice that you want to listen to. You want to practice tuning into your intuition or the little angel on your shoulder. And I'm going to give you some things here that will really help you start saying F you and flicking the little devil, the ego, out of your head and off your shoulder and out of your freaking life so you could start connecting with yourself and trusting yourself again. One of the things that I used to question is, can I do this? Now, if you watched last week's video, which was, because I just recorded it 5 minutes ago, finding happiness and how to know if you're in a toxic relationship, one of the steps that I gave you was visualizing what is the kind of life that you really want, okay? We all have a certain future vision or goal or lifestyle, even sometimes a feeling as to the kind of life that we want. And after abuse, you're gonna question, is this possible? Can I deserve it? Am I worthy of it? Psh! The only thing that is stopping you is you and what goes on up here and how you were conditioned. So yes, it is possible. I'm living freaking proof of it. You can do anything that you set your mind to. If you're having a hard time setting your mind to something, tune into your pain and your anger and resentment and use that as a driving force to get you to your goal. If anything, it is to say, F you, watch me succeed. Who the hell are you to think I can't do this? The other thing that used to go through my head is, am I being selfish? Right? Because the way society is, they tell you if you really want something or you go after it or you're putting yourself as a priority, you're selfish. You know what I say? F that. No one is going to come in and be your knight in shining armor, okay? You have to put you as a freaking priority. Think of it this way. If this was your child, right, going through this stuff, you would want them to know their value and their worth and put themselves on a priority towards getting their life together, right? Don't you think you're worthy and deserving of the same thing? No, you're not being selfish. You have goals, you have dreams, you have desires. Don't you think it's about time you start giving that to yourself? The other thing I used to worry about is, what will other people think of me? Stop people pleasing, okay? When you people please, you put yourself last and other people first. I want you to evaluate and ask yourself, who is it that you really care what they think? If they're not supporting you and they're not happy for you, should they even be in your life? So again, you may be asking yourself, the first one, can I do this? Is this really possible? Look at Oprah, look at The Rock, look at all these famous people who went from total devastation and destruction and nothing and all forms of abuse, who created something for themselves. Look at all these people who came from nothing, that achieved happiness and abundance and success. If they can do it, who the hell says you can't? They put their pants on every day the same exact way you do. The other thing I used to ask myself is, what if I fail and look like an idiot? Think of it this way. At least you're doing something about it. Rome wasn't built in a day. It's a learning process. As long as you are doing something, you may fail, you may screw up, but you know what? You just got more knowledge. Knowledge on how to do something different, finding a different way, a workaround, something that just works better for you. What if you succeed? Ask yourself that. Start tuning into that energy. The other thing I always used to ask myself, am I daydreaming? When I teach intuition and psychic development, one of the key things on really connecting with that kind of stuff is allowing yourself to go back to that childlike state and daydream, because when you daydream, you find yourself lighting up and you emotionally connect with that, right? You don't have the weight of the world, the responsibilities, paying the bills, the kids, the cleaning, the shopping, you freaking name it, weighing you down. Daydream like freaking crazy. The more you daydream, the more you tune into that energy, the more you feel it and vibe with it and just freaking flow with it, you allow it to come in. That's how manifestation works, lightning fast. You have to feel it and believe it and know it is possible. You are deserving and worthy of true happiness. Face your fears and ask yourself, why in the F am I doing this to myself? Okay? Ask yourself that on a deep energetic level. You're going to get your answers. Once you get your answers, use the tips that I just gave you to face them. So remember I told you in the beginning, hang out to the end, I got some freebies for you. Give me a second before I tell you about them. If this video helped you and it made you feel inspired and empowered, please, if you have not already, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it to anyone you know who is at a very low point in their life. You deserve to be happy and live an amazing, abundance-filled life. So one of the reasons why I do these videos is to build virtual relationships. That's the only way that's going to happen, is if you talk to me and comment below. So I got a question for you. Tell me below what it is that you're afraid of, what you think is holding you back, so I can make a video to help you out and smash that freaking belief system. Or two, if you are someone who is on that journey and you've survived and you're trucking through and you're doing what you need to do, feel free to comment below and share with me and anybody else who would need this what it is that you are doing or what it is that you do to help you get through it. What gives you the strength and the drive to keep on freaking going and not looking in the past? All right, so I told you I had some freebies for you. In all honesty, I have so many freebies, I don't know what to pick and choose to give you. Some of those freebies are on how to spot a narcissist, right? So as you're going through your life, you can pick up who these people are and not fall victim to that stuff again. Some of them are various different ways that you can maintain and stay in your power. Some of them are cord cutting. Other ones are if you're into card reading, right? You want to, because when you're not trusting your intuition, learning how to read your cards is a great way to validate your intuition again. I got a freebie on that. what I'm gonna do underneath this video, I'm gonna give you the direct link to my main freebies page, and you're gonna see a list of all free stuff that you can download. You just pick and choose whatever floats your boat and resonates with you. So that's what I have for you. I hope this helped you. Hopefully you're a subscriber now. Hopefully you're gonna talk to me. I do get notifications when people comment, and I do reply back. So you go have a wonderful, phenomenal, high vibrational, powerful, kick freaking ass day. Hopefully I'll be seeing you real soon again right here on this channel. Go have a good one.